Hello friends, welcome to 15th Bricks Android tutorial. Till now we have created a project. We have designed our graphical layout in activity main.xml. Now we need to create objects in Java file. So here we have our Java file. As in last tutorial we had deleted this method. So again I would like to delete this method. Now this set content view is already there, so no need to write this. This time we have created three objects in activity main.xml, which will be required in Java file. So we will create object for all those three. So first one is button. Button 1. So we have created object. Now if you will not write the code for casting, it will say something. It's saying that button is not imported, so just import it. Now it's saying you haven't casted, so you need to cast it. Next go to button. No, next we need to create text view. T1 equals to find view by id r dot id dot text view. There are two text views, so you need to check which text view is for printing purpose. So go to activity main of this text view is for printing purpose, so it is text view 1. So inside Java file we will create object for text view 1. Again casting error is there, so just click on it, it will remove that casting error. And edit text e1 equals to find view by id. Always use control space to write your code. Don't try to type whole code by your own. So this is edit text, so this is edit text. So we have created a object for all three graphical objects. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. In next tutorial we will use these objects to create our final code. Thank you.